In this video, we are going to be looking at problem 7-8 in your homework, the expected rate of return for a two-asset portfolio, which is really simply a weighted average. So I've got the formula here that we're going to use, and if we scroll down, you can see that you're going to have the first table here you can experiment with and put in any numbers you want and see what happens. Just make sure that you don't change the shaded cells, because that's where the formulas are. And then in the second one down here, you want to put in the values from the problem. So the values for the amount that is invested goes here under stock A, and here, right there, under stock B. So I just put in, just for fun, I put in a value of $1,000 for stock A and $15,000, a lot more for stock B, to show you that even though stock A has a much higher return than stock B does, this is, by the way, this is what you would enter for 8%. This is 2%. So up here where we have 13% and 9%, you want to put in 0.13 and 0.09 because we're doing this in decimal. So 0.08 is 8% and 0.02 is 2%. And you can see that the expected return for the two-asset portfolio is a lot closer to the return for stock B, because you have so much more money invested in stock B. Now, what if they were even? What if we change this to 15,000 as well? You'll see that now we have the average. Now 5% is the midpoint between 8 and 2. So that's what's going to change there, because we've got the same amount invested in both stocks. So that's what's going to change. Now if we have, trying to think if there's anything else that we could change to make this to sort of show anything. Really, you're going to have, if it's just going to be a function of the amount that you've got that you have invested in each of your stocks and the return. So the only thing to really the important thing to understand here is that a high dollar amount in your investment can be offset by a low rate of return, or low expected return. So make sure that you put in your values here, 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 and here, and you should see the correct answers pop in down here, as long as your values are correct here. And once again, make sure you put your percentages in as a decimal. So this is 0.13. 13% is 0.13, and 9% is 0.09. And that goes here and here, and your actual amounts that you are investing goes under stock A here and under stock B right here, just as I've done it up here. Okay? So that's problem 7-8.